Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'll show you how to set up WhatsApp on the iPhone 16e. So the first thing we're going to do is open up WhatsApp, and then we're going to click green continue, and then what we're going to do is just enter our phone number. So just enter the area code and then just paste in your number. Now click next, and what it's going to do is just ask if it is your number, and click if it is, click yes. Then it's going to take you to a verification process. So what you're going to do is just wait until you receive a SMS to your number from WhatsApp, and just enter it right here into the field. So if you have some data stored on iCloud, what you can do is either restore it or just skip it. I'm going to skip it for now. And it's going to ask you to create a profile, and if you'd like to access contacts, you can select whatever you want. So now you can just add a photo, select a name, click done, and just proceed. You can also add an email if you want for more protection and more security. And once you're done with that, you have an account created. And that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps, and make sure to like and subscribe.